Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And today I will be teaching you guys how you guys can add tables on Canva. By tables I mean tables and chart, similar thing. Alright, so by doing that, or like by following the step which I'll show you, you should be able to. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First thing, you want to come to canva.com. Once you're in canva.com, you can go on to documents, whiteboard, presentation, doesn't matter. The steps you have to follow is the same. So I will go on presentations to show you how to do it on a presentation. So I'm going to create a blank presentation first. Now, as I said, you can do it on document or whiteboard or even in like posters, but I'm just going to do on presentations. All right. And the steps which I follow on like the presentation, the steps are similar with whiteboard and document, so don't get confused. Once your presentation opens up like this, what you want to do is at the top or like at the side, you can see where it says the Elements tab. You want to click on the Elements tab. Once you're in the Elements tab, you want to click on where it says Search at the top and search for table. Once you search for table, as you guys can see, various tables are going to be shown. You can click on See All to see all the types of table available. So choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this one. I can click on it and it will be added over here just like this. Now I can increase its size over here like this. I can even increase the box size. Like I can do this to increase one box size, or like this. I can edit the table however, or like, in whichever way I want. All right. So yeah, that's how you guys can add tables on Canva. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. And you guys can also like write text inside the box like this, as you guys can see. So yeah, that is also a feature. Hope you understand. Bye bye.